In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to declare paid promotion in a YouTube video. When you're working with sponsors, brand deals, or even simple product placements, it's important to be transparent with your audience and to follow YouTube's policies. Declaring paid promotion is one of the key steps in doing that. And thankfully, the process is very simple once you know where to look. Let's walk through it together from the moment you upload a new video. After you sign in to YouTube Studio and click to upload your video, you'll arrive at the first main screen of the upload process, called Details. This is where you usually add your title, description, thumbnail, and other basic information. On this Details page, don't stop at the basic fields you see at the top. Instead, scroll down the page until you find a small option labeled Show More. Go ahead and click that. This button expands a set of additional settings that many creators miss. And this is exactly where YouTube keeps the paid promotion controls. Once you click Show More, scroll through the expanded settings until you see a section labeled Paid Promotion. Under this heading, you'll find a statement that says something along the lines of, "My video contains paid promotion like a product placement, sponsorship, or endorsement." To declare that your video includes paid promotion, simply check the box next to this statement. By doing this, you're letting YouTube know that there's some form of compensated promotion in your content, whether that's a brand deal, a sponsored segment, or a product that's been provided in exchange for exposure. Checking this box can also trigger YouTube to add a small disclosure message on your video, usually at the beginning, that it tells viewers the content includes paid promotion. This builds trust with your audience and helps keep your channel in line with advertising guidelines and platform policies. Once you've checked that box, you're done with the paid promotion declaration. There's nothing else you need to enable in this section for the disclosure to work. From here, you can continue configuring the rest of your upload settings as you normally would. Add your video elements like end screens and cards, choose your visibility options, schedule the upload if you want, and complete any other details needed before publishing. And that's all there is to it. By taking a moment during the upload process to expand the extra options and tick that paid promotion box, you ensure your sponsored content is clearly and correctly disclosed on YouTube.